standard configuration, the USG6650, USG6660, USG6670, and USG6080 AC models have 2 AC power modules and 1+1 backup. If one power module fails, you can replace it without powering off the device. As other USG6000 models use power modules and other specifications, the replacement procedure is only for reference. Let's take a look at the power module appearance and indicators. If the device has any of the following power fault reminders, you are advised to replace the power module. 1. System information reminder. 2. System log reminder. 3. Alarm information reminder. 4. Status indicator reminder. Before replacement, you need to prepare tools and understand these precautions. Next, we'll show you how to replace the power module. Step 1. Power off the faulty power module. Step 2. Remove the faulty power module. Step 3. Insert a new power module. Step 4. Connect the power cable. After the device is powered on, the status indicators should be steady green. Log into the web UI, choose Dashboard System Information and check whether power supply module status is normal.